Welcome back to Crypto Night, everybody. Today we're going to take a look at Bitcoin, how things are looking, where things are going, the news, and so on. This video is for educational purposes only. I'm not your financial advisor. This is not financial advice. Please do your own research for every investment you make. So let's get into it. Bitcoin chart, 7-day, looking amazing. We have a raise of around 4% here. We had the big dip here down to 100k, but that was kind of the support line there at 100k. And then it was bought back up, to roughly, what is it here, 105k. Now going towards the 110k mark again. Crossed it once or twice, or a few times even already this week. But now it's kind of rebounding. And take a look here at the daily chart. That's looking amazing as well. Started out at roughly 108k here in the beginning. Now sitting at 109.6k. We have a daily raise of 0.5%, a 7-day on 4%, and the monthly is looking at a 7% raise. Started out at 104k, sitting now at nearly 110k. We already crossed it to what's the 112k mark a few times already this month. And I mean, Bitcoin, what do I gotta tell you about it? If you don't know Bitcoin, I don't know what you're doing in crypto. I mean, we all know Bitcoin, we all know that it's the market leader. I mean, if we're looking at the chart, every top coin is kind of following Bitcoin, right? If Bitcoin is pumping, everything else is pumping as well. You can kind of connect most of these charts here and see a similar pattern, especially with Ethereum. I think that is in most cases the #1 copy of the Bitcoin chart. So that's pretty interesting to see as well. Bitcoin is and will forever be the market leader, and we can see the community sentiment bullish. 82% are into the bullish side of it. And I mean, Bitcoin, you can trade it everywhere. Over nearly 5,000 exchanges listed it alone on CMC, which is crazy. You can trade it on pretty much any major blockchain, as well as the wrapped version, wrapped Bitcoin, something you can trade on, like I said, any big blockchain that we have out there, BNB, Solana, and so on. I've seen it pretty much everywhere, I think. And if we look at the news, we see obviously BlackRock news. I mean, BlackRock really has pushed this thing to new highs, with the Bitcoin ETFs being live for now quite some time already. Has it been 2 years already? I don't really know, maybe, but a year for sure. And it's crazy to see what has happened since then, especially as we look at, for example, Michael Saylor's company. His MicroStrategy company is one of the top 500 companies now in the world, and pretty much all they are doing, or all they're known for doing, is buy Bitcoin. So you see where that can go. If we look at the 7-day chart, that looks bullish as fuck to me, honestly. I mean, I can see this go up. But let's see where it goes. I mean, we have a beautiful all-time chart now. If we just imagine this started out all the way back here for just a few cents, and now sitting at $109,000, and setting these all-time highs here is honestly crazy to me. $111,000 is pretty much the all-time high. It should be, right? Nothing ever crossed that line, and that was set just not too long ago here. 23rd of May is pretty much the mark to beat now. $111,679. That's what the goal is, the next big goal here for Bitcoin. And I said it, we nearly crossed that 112k mark here a few times already. Not happened yet, but I can see it happen here very soon, with all the good news here plowing in pretty much on a daily basis for Bitcoin. So I'm pretty bullish. Bitcoin for sure is one of these things that when I get asked, hey, what are you buying when it comes to crypto, is definitely something. Even though I'm not a big Bitcoin maxi, it's not like I'm saying, hey, Bitcoin is the #1 and that is everything you need. I'm not saying that, but it's one of the most interesting crypto coins out there, I would say, right? I mean, just to have this mother of cryptocurrencies pretty much out there, that has kickstarted all of this. It's amazing, and it will be the market lead. It is just how it is. The immense power of Bitcoin is crazy, and is definitely for me something that when I put money into crypto, something I buy pretty much on every occasion that I can then. So I myself would put myself in this category of the 82% bullish people in the community. And let's see where it goes. I'm pretty bullish. Let's set a new all-time high, and the all-time chart, that is just amazing, isn't it? So check it out for yourself. If you kind of are always want to say, hey, Bitcoin is something, it's already at the highest, I don't know, it's so expensive already. Yeah, but let's see, it will get more expensive in the future for sure. Let's see when we hit the million. For me, even to say a million is crazy, because I was thinking back in 2022, 2020, like, are we really hitting the $10,000 mark again? I mean, that is honestly crazy to me. And to see then 60K, and then we finally reached pretty much the 100K mark in the at the beginning of this year, or was it end of last year? I mean, that is just crazy to me. So don't be one to say, hey, it's already at the highs, it's so expensive. It won't get more cheaper than it is now. I mean, there's always the bull run and the beer market, obviously. But you know, yeah, I mean, I can just see Bitcoin going up even further. But yeah, that's it for Bitcoin. Follow up with the news if you're in crypto, not following up with Bitcoin. Start with that. It's sitting at a $2.2 trillion market cap nearly right now, $110,000. Let's see when we can hit the new all-time high. Thanks for watching, everybody. See you all in the next one.